Hello and welcome! Today we are making green salsa. It's my favorite go-to salsa recipe. This recipe comes from La Taqueria in San Francisco. I will link the original recipe in the description below. This is a hot one, so if you are sensitive to heat, I would recommend removing the seeds and veins, I guess, within the serranos. Just a heads up, but after doing that, you should be all right. Let's get into it. Scootaloo! You'll need 1 pound of tomatillos, half a pound serranos. The recipe suggests 2 cloves garlic, but I usually throw in way more, and 1 tablespoon of salt. First, you want to remove the serrano stems and wash them. Next, peel the tomatillo husks and then give them a good wash too. Throw your serranos and tomatillos in a pot and fill it up about 2/3, leaving at least a couple inches from the top. Place your pot on the stove and bring it to a boil. Once it reaches a boil, lower the heat to about medium-high and let that simmer for about 15 to 20 minutes. By now they should be fork tender. Take them off the heat and let them cool down for about 10 minutes. After the peppers have cooled down, use tongs to transfer them to your blender. Sometimes I have noticed the salsa gets a little thick where I feel like you could add some water from the pot to the blender to lighten it up a bit. Add your salt and preferred amount of garlic. Then get blending for about 30 seconds or so. At last, empty out that green gold and be sure to scrape out every precious drop. Abracadabra, you just made some legit green salsa. And there you have it, green salsa, super easy. It's fogging up my glasses. I would recommend it with some Casa Sanchez chips if you're in the Bay Area. I'm not sure if they sell outside, but that is my go-to. And you can put this salsa on anything, eggs for your breakfast, beans, chips, but whatever. Go to town, go crazy. Stoked to show you this one. There's another recipe I want to show you for the red taqueria salsa, which has a lot of similar techniques and methods. So we'll get into that in a later video. Thanks for watching. We'll check you on the next one.